Eric here with Pro Rebuild, and today I'm going to explain some common problems with the automatic or digital climate control from the 2003 to 2007 Tahoe, Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Denali, Escalade, and even the 02 to 09 Trailblazer chassis vehicles, which include the Ascender, the Bravada, the Rainier, and the Saab 97X. So this climate control is a bad unit, and I will show you what it does. When you turn the control knob, the temperature does not follow the control knob. It bounces around a whole bunch. It's very difficult and frustrating to get the temperature up. And as you turn it down, it's the same problem. Now to fix that, we replace the encoder motors. We also replace all of the lights in these units, and I'll show you how we do that. Well, I'll show you a completed one. So this is one that we have been through and replaced all the lights and the encoders. And as you can see, it works perfectly smooth. That goes true for the other side as well. Another thing we test on these is AC output. We make sure that the AC compressor is signaled to turn on. Since we have been repairing these units, we have had virtually no returns, no defective units come back. We pretty much have these down to a science. These all come with a 60-day warranty, and there is no core charge.